Hello there. Welcome aboard my new Seafarer 30. Obviously not new. 30-foot sailboat made by the Seafarer company in, I believe in New York. And I've already done some work in here. We've stripped out we've taken out all the cushions, and they're getting upholstered and all that jazz. But this is what it looks like to start out with. Hopefully what we'll end up seeing is a lot of really great stuff as we continue down the path of cleaning it up and repairing things and getting it back underway. So here's the V-berth and the head. Good Levac toilet in it. There's just a lot of stuff that needs to be done. All of the port lights, the windows need to be rebedded. They're leaking like crazy. Whoever had it before sealed it up with silicone on the inside, which doesn't make any sense at all. There's a lot to be done. The engine is completely shot. We're going to have to replace that. That's almost disconnected now and ready to be pulled out. I just need a new one to put in. But overall, the bones of this are, I think, really good. The hull is in good shape. The decks are in good shape. Like, everything's solid. And I like the interior. I like the space that we got out of this after spending a year on Tearaway, which is a CS27. This is going to seem super roomy, but a lot to be done before that happens. It's a Ferryman 12 horsepower engine, and it's just done, completely done. Rusted up. I can't turn it at all. It's seized. It's all coming out. I don't want another single cylinder diesel engine. I'm gonna look for a 2-cylinder at least. And here we are on deck. So when we got this was just all covered with moss or lichen or something. It was nasty. Spent a lot of time doing a pressure washer and then scrubbing it, get it to the point where it's cleaned up like it is now. I'm gonna have my work cut out for me on fixing a few of these spider cracks that the previous owner tried to fix. Ran down it with a Dremel and tried to fill it in, but as you can see, it was not really done. We'll get there. But on this side, I haven't done anything yet. No cleaning, no nothing. And over here, I've done cleaning and compounding. And up here is just the cleaning. So the cleaning alone cleaned up a bunch of the stuff that's just dirt, and that makes sense. But the compounding, I was hoping would get rid of some of these other marks and stuff that are in here and just make it smoother. And there's still, it's really rough. So I don't know if that's the if it's oxidized that much, or if there's something else going on, or if I just need to put the wax coating over the top. But you can see with some water, maybe you can see that that it does bead up down here where it's been compounded, and it does not bead up here where it's just been cleaned. So that makes a difference. It's definitely done something.